Sunday and I don't know why I have this dress draped around my neck. I'm trying a new church today, so I don't know. Do you guys do that too? Like if you have to try a new church, you're not exactly sure like what to wear because you don't really know what they wear at their church, like what's acceptable. Because I know when I first got saved and I was going to this one church, like women were only allowed to wear dresses and we couldn't show our shoulders. And when I started going to my new church, I was doing the same thing. And then like 2-3 weeks and I'm like, okay, women are wearing pants, they're showing their shoulders. Although I usually still don't show my shoulders in church, but like now I wear jeans. But at my old church, like all pants. No women were allowed to wear pants. I mean all dresses. Women weren't allowed to wear pants. So I was thinking of wearing a dress, which I usually don't, but I don't have much like church type dresses, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. The only thing I could think of is wearing this and like draping it over with like a little sweater or something, because I don't know, this is good too, but I feel like it's too tight and I don't like wearing tight like stuff to church, especially dresses, for some reason. Alright guys, I don't know what's going on with my eyes, but I put in my contacts and it was fine. And then like a few minutes later it just started like burning and I had to like rip it out of my eye. Now it's out and I'm wearing my Walmart glasses, but as soon as I came outside in the sun, like it started like acting up again, like it started burning. So I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if it's my contacts, or maybe I got something in my eye and it's like irritating it, but I even tried to put like the eye drops in and that thing stung like heck. Those lucky people who have great vision, man, because it's not fun. You guys like my hair though? Look, these turned out more purple than the last one I did. Oops. I did Pravana this time. Last time I did, not Pravana, but the other one that everyone used. Oh, Adore. I like the way these turned out a lot better. So, I'm gonna rock with this for a while. I wish I turned on the camera half a second earlier when she's screaming at me for coughing. Unbelievable. How's she gonna scream at me for coughing? You see, my mom is abusive, guys. She's abusive. I mean, of all the things, she's gonna yell at me for coughing. Lord. Look how pretty over there is. I don't know if you guys can see it.
This church is where we have to dress up.
I'm taking
Yes, God. And it's still good. Amen.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Just leaving church, and you can turn down the music just for a little bit. I hope you don't mind. Yes, and the service was really good. I was really sleepy. I was like falling asleep most of the time, but that had nothing to do with the actual service. The message was great. Most of the stuff he was talking about is a video that I made recently about Are You Ready for Jesus? Or I think that's what it was named. Something like that. Are you ready for Jesus? And I talked about the trumpets. I talked about the foolish virgins and all of that stuff. He was talking about the service. Never met this guy before. Never met him, and he started bringing up everything that I talked about in that video. And people who aren't getting saved, who needs to get saved. And they keep putting it off, saying they'll get saved like tomorrow, although tomorrow's not promised. Like everything that I put in that video, he was talking about today. Never met him. We never had this discussion, right? My witness.
Yeah.
And I put that video up like 2 or 3 weeks before all of this extra stuff started happening in the media. See? I'm onto something. Jeez, I came home from church and fell asleep, and it's like really late. I had to rush over to the gym and get some cardio in because I didn't get a chance to go yesterday, and I'm really slacking this week. So I'm going to try and make it there in time. I hate getting there so late, but these next few weeks is going to be a little rough for me. Oh my gosh. There's no gas in the car. Oh, good. What is that? There's no gas in the car. I'm thirsty. And if you can barely see this, but the gym closes at 6 and it's gonna take me about 5 to 10 minutes to get there. So my workout's gonna be so short. And then I have to take a shower while I'm there because I have to go straight over to my aunt's house after I leave. But the soap that I usually use that I keep in my gym bag, I took it out because I ran out of regular bar soap and I forgot to put it back in there. And I left my energy drink in the fridge. This is what happens when you wake up from a late nap and you're all disoriented and confused.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Too many times. Now I can't come around, cause when a woman's fed up, it ain't nothing you can do about it. And then it's too late to talk about it. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I almost ran over 2 old couples. Y'all lock up your senior citizens. Tiffany's on the loose. Yikes. There's no soap. Unless I use that. I'm gonna be so dirty today. This is not even funny. What's that? That's mousse. I might have to take a shampoo bath. So workout's done. I was just checking out the neighborhood where I'm moving to again. I'm not... The place is so confusing, but it's basically like... It's not like on any major intersection, and every time people ask me where I'm living, I can't tell them. So I was like just checking out the neighborhood to give like the best advice, and after driving around I still don't know what the biggest intersections is, because the way it's centered, it's like, it's almost like on back streets, like, but in the Bermuda Triangles, kind of like in this maze in the, like the exact, like, I cannot explain it. Just, it's like lost in the back streets of like every major intersection in my city. I don't even know how they did it. It's the strangest thing. I really don't know how they did it. So that was a fail. But I have to not order, but I have to call the moving people and set up something so they can come and pick up my, well, get pricing and everything. And so they can come and pick up the furniture on that Monday that I'm moving out. I need to be moved out and everything in one day. I cannot stay one extra day or they're gonna charge me. So I have to get everything done. I'm taking a few days off of work. The moving people have to come on that day. They need to get my Uverse, my internet and stuff like that. It needs to be switched over on that date too. And I have to switch over the FP&L and everything on that day. And if I don't get moving people, I really don't see how it's gonna work, because my bedroom set and my wall unit are so heavy. Like, the people bringing them into my house was struggling the first time around. So I know it's not gonna be easy, like, getting it out of my apartment and into the new place. So that's gonna be difficult. I know I need to get moving people, unless me, my mom, and my 2 sisters can work something out. Oh, that's a joke. That's a joke. We can't lift anything more than 20 pounds. But anyways, and also, since I am living in a loft, I have like spiral stairs going all the way up to the top floor. It looks like the stairs are a little narrow, so I don't know how I'm going to get my bedroom set up there or anything. I don't know how I'm gonna get up there, and I know Charlie's gonna have problems walking up the stairs, and I'm gonna have to get a little doggy gate so when he is upstairs he doesn't accidentally, you know, like fall down the stairs. So I have to buy all of that, get everything done in exactly 2 weeks. Please pray for me. I always ask you guys to pray for me, but like I really, really need your prayers. I'm at my aunt's house. I was supposed to meet my mom here at 6 o'clock. I knew she was gonna be late. It's 6:30 and her car is not here. Oh wait, I think it is. So I just left the gym and they're feeding me pasta, which is not cool.
You need to heat it up, Tiffany. It's cold.
Is it?
Tiffany, is this what you're gonna do if you have a daughter?
You should talk to Nora, and you should leave with Nora.
It was done like
Was that-
at least 3 hours ago.
Oh, when my daughter
This is my
tells me she likes a boy at her school. Yeah.
What's that?
Tiffany,
Alright, so it's
on
Wallace's
the
birthday.
porch.
Wallace is watch out, Jasmine. Wallace is over there hiding behind the pillow. He's shy.
Camera shot, girl.
Come on, come blow out your candle.
I'll
Come
blow
on,
out,
let's blow out the one on the
I'll blow
cheesecake.
out his
Come for
candle.
like 50 candles.
It's 150?
Just 50.
Oh, look who's talking.
Can I blow it out for you? No, you're supposed to blow it out
Just
yourself.
wish that he blew it out.
Yeah.
Sorry, I blew that out.
Oh, did you make a wish?
Did you blow it out, Jasmine?
You didn't make a wish? Because he wouldn't do it.
I made a wish.
Brother, he wouldn't have done
The other
it.
one.
Yeah, he'll do
I made a wish to get
He wouldn't have
your
done it.
car,
Brother, he
that's
wouldn't have
what.
done it.
I know.
But then the AC came
All right.
floating in
You
here.
can turn off the
and
AC because I am kind of cold. You cold,
Yeah,
right?
me too.
Yes.
Not
Can you
it.
turn it down, please?
Not
Sit
it.
closer.
Not
Jasmine.
it.
God, she's like the boys.
No, Tiffany's right there.
I'm busy.
God.
I'm
Are you
vlogging.
Brenda, she's like the boys.
I'm eating.
And
I'm
what's
eating
this
my
one?
food.
First of all,
Where's
it's
my
your
fork?
sister, yours down there.
That part?
Down here.
There.
Yeah, I heard it's fall. I know.
This is the second
That
time
one
I think I
is
lost the
just too
fork.
much, right?
Why did you tell me I lost my fork?
I said your fork fell.
So we're getting ready to
I have a
leave
matching
in a few
piece of-
seconds. We're talking about the Purge 3, which I have not
See,
seen
if
yet.
y'all came earlier, we would have seen the purge.
First of
But we
all,
just got through watching The Nice Guys.
yeah, I said let's.
It was a really good movie. Nice Guys. Good movie.
Really funny.
Yeah, really funny.
An action film. It's everything.
And I can see you, Auntie Janice.
Turn it back so I can see you instead.
She's like, I can see you. Look at Jasmine's twin sister. Oh, look at they look just alike.
It's a
Look
beautiful
at the eyes. I like how the eyes
me.
fall.
What's new? She's always abusing you.
Yeah, like,
You probably deserve it.